If you want buy razor, active. If you want buy cigar, active. If you want buy crusher, active. If you want buy motor, active. If you want buy Range Rover Sport, toy home for children, active. If you want buy land, whip and come, active. If you want buy touch, active. And they say anything. If you want buy ugu leaf, active. If you want buy crayfish, hit me up. You hear me so? If you want buy cup, pack and come, active. If you want buy Igbo, no, Igbo, I'm not that active for Igbo. That one a criminal offense, they go arrest me. But every other active, if you want buy IG or Facebook or Instagram or active, if you want go deny pregnancy or come follow, but they are active. If your person buy and you want 5 points, go follow you cry for the burial deal, active. If you find that take active, if you find person they do coffee, are active. If you find they sell